Wild animal names. Panda. Pandas have excellent camouflage for their habitat. Their eyes are different to normal bears. Black bear. Black bears are the masters of adaptation. Black bears have few predators. Black bears are about the size of a human. Tiger. Tiger is the largest living cat species. Tigers are silent hunters. Hippopotamus, also known as hippo. Hippos can't swim. They cannot breathe underwater. Flamingo. Flamingos are famous for their bright pink feathers. Flamingos get their color from the food they eat. Crocodile. Crocodiles are reptiles which have incredibly powerful jaws. Zebra. A zebra's stripes are like the human fingerprints. Every zebra has a unique pattern of their own stripes. Hyenas. Hyenas are not wild dogs. Hyenas are more intelligent than you think. They are not just scavenger hunters, they can also hunt pretty well. Kangaroos. Kangaroos cannot move backward. There are almost 60 species of kangaroos. Bobcat. A bobcat is a small-sized cat which is native to the North America. Lioness. Lioness are the primary hunters and leaders of their tribe. They often work together to prey upon antelope, zebras, and wildebeest. Giraffe. Giraffes are the tallest mammal in the world. Giraffes can stand half an hour after being born. Alligator. Alligators are ancient animals. They cannot survive in salt water. They can weigh more than 1,000 pounds. Cheetahs. Cheetahs are the fastest land animal on earth. Cheetahs have around 2,000 spots. Chimpanzees, also known as chimps. Wild chimpanzees can only be found in Africa. Oryx are large antelopes. They are herbivorous animals. Wolves are one of the most dangerous carnivores. Leopard. Leopards are one of the 5 extinct species in the genus Panthera. Lion is a large cat of the genus Panthera native to Africa and India. Monkeys like to live on ground as well as on trees. Ostrich is a species of flightless birds which are native to Africa. Rhinos are herbivorous animals. They are also called bulls and cows. Ural are wild sheep native to Central and South Asia. Wildebeest are one of the most brave animals of Africa. Deers have good eyesight and hearing ability. Elephants are one of the most largest and heaviest land mammals on earth. Elephants are native to Africa.